This is how you can generate unlimited qualified leads from Instagram. We are not only going to be generating unlimited leads to whom you can reach out and sell your services, whatever you want to do, but we're also going to be qualifying them using AI so that only the people who are genuinely a good fit for our services are present in the list of leads which we extract. It's extremely affordable, almost free, like you can do it for free as well, but it's extremely affordable, cheaper than any other way of generating and extracting leads. We're also going to be extracting the first names of the people, and we're also going to be using AI to write first lines for these people. So by the time you're done watching this video, you're going to have a list of leads in the niche you want to target, and there's a very high chance your niche is actually there on Instagram. I think it has more than like a billion users, almost 1/8 of the world is over there. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So by the end of the video, you will have unlimited qualified leads, which is done completely using AI from Instagram. And you will also have personalized first lines, which you can use in WhatsApp outreach, email outreach, cold DMs, whatever you want to use. So the first step of the process is to create a new Instagram account. Why do you ask me to do that, Somil? There's a 0.1% chance your account might get banned because scraping is against Instagram's terms of whatever they have, like that typical boring legal shit. So yeah, it's against their terms of service or something. So there's a 0.1% chance your account gets banned. I personally never seen anyone, or I don't know anyone, and I know a lot of people who use this. Like, it has never happened, but just putting it out because there might be someone who has like a account with millions of followers, and it won't be fun, right, if you get banned. So what I would suggest is you can create either a new Instagram account, and if you use it like a normal human being for 2 to 3 days and you post like 2 to 3 pieces of content, it does not even have to be your content. Just like take a screenshot of any random image, or like just take any random image you find on the internet and just simply paste it over there. Like just simply post it so that Instagram thinks you're like a real freaking human being. Just post any piece of content on Instagram, just 2 to 3 posts, and use it for 2 to 3 days, and then the account is good to go. You can just create a brand new account today and start scraping as well. But then the issue is, if you just start scraping, there's a very high chance it will get banned today. So what I do is I've created like a separate account. I've posted a couple of reels. It's not even my own reels. It's just repurposed from my YouTube videos. It does not have a lot of followers, and I just use it for a couple of days. And this is what I use for scraping. I scrape like thousands of leads, and I face like absolutely zero issues with this. This is not my main account or something. So yeah, that's what I did. Like I used it for 2 to 3 days like a normal human being, posted some pieces of content. Yeah, no issues since then. If you have like an old account, for example, my business partner, he has his old accounts which he does not use, like he just had an old account which had been lying around, then that is going to be the best option, because the older the account is, the lesser the chance there is that it gets banned or something like that. So yeah, you need like you can do it with your own account as well if you don't give a shit if it gets banned or not. You have like 3 followers. Yeah, the older the account, the better. Once you're done with that, just simply download this Chrome extension. It's absolutely free to use. And there is a chance, like what happens with these extensions is, it has been going on, like I've been using it for a couple of months, zero issues faced ever. But there's a chance it might get banned or something in the future. Luckily, we have a lot of alternatives to Chrome and all. So you can just simply come to the Silgen community and you can download the app in the iOS and Android Play Store, App Store, whatever you want to call it, over there as well. So just simply come over here and you can just download the app. And over here, you can simply just come to general chat or questions or answers, and you can just simply create a post. I'm not logged in over here. You can just click on join group. You can log in using Google. And yeah, you can just create a post that this has stopped working, and we'll get back to you. We'll reply and update this SOP and this guide with the updated tool. So everything is going to be exactly the same, even if the extension is changed in the future. I know there's a possibility this might happen. So just simply download it. Just open it up in the Chrome extension store. Like I'll just open it up here and show you what it looks like. So I already have it downloaded. I'll just delete it and show you what it will look like if I did not have it downloaded. So you click on the link which I shared in the SOP in the document, and this will open up. You simply click on add to Chrome, like ensure you're logged in with your Google account. click on add to Chrome and click on add extension over here. And you're pretty much good to go. That's literally all you had to do. Once you're done with that, once you've done it, then I would say like search for an account in your niche which has between 1,000 to 100,000 followers. So basically, let's say your niche is coaches. Then find a coach with like 1,000 to 100,000 followers. I've seen like this is totally optional. Like you can target someone with 200,000 followers, with like 1,000,000 followers as well. But I've just seen based on the data which we have that we get the best results when we have someone in the tens and thousands of followers range. If you target people who are very small, like 100 followers, then they're usually like retards and shit. But like I've seen the best data and the best results come from datas and campaigns where we're targeting people between 100 to 100,000 followers. But if you think there's an account in your niche which would be following like extremely good people, then you can use that as well. So I'm just going to search, like I'm just going to do it live. I'll just scrape some data for myself as well. I'll just search for like my niche is agency owner, so I'll just search for marketing. I'll just search for agency owner Instagram, just something like that. You can just do whatever you want to do. Like I'll just go to this profile. Yeah, so this person is following a lot of people. If I search like agency, yeah, so a lot of agencies are being followed over here as well. So this is a good thing. Just find anyone who follows like at least minimum like 100 to 200 people, minimum that. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is just like I just found the right fit. So yeah, you just need to do that. I'll just open a couple of good examples as well. Like just search for your niche. Like I'll just search marketing agency owner Instagram. If you're targeting realtor, just search real estate agent Instagram, something like that. Let's say no, this person is following only 3 people, so they should be following at least 100 to 200 people. So just try to find the right thing. Like this person, he's following it. So let me see, agency marketing, not a lot of good. Like you can just search for keywords in the following, and if they don't follow a lot of people in that niche, then I would say like don't just follow it. Let's just see what she has. And it's better if you see people who have like it's better to follow humans. Like instead of you trying to extract data from company accounts. Like if I was in the e-commerce niche, I would follow an e-commerce influencer, someone who creates content around that, instead of choosing Shopify, because Shopify is a company. So, and just see, does she follow agency people? I'll just search agency. Yeah, a lot of people are being followed. So yeah, I'll just search marketing. Yeah, a lot of marketing people as well. I'll just search SMMA. That's my niche, by the way. Obviously, do it different for your own niche. No, SMM. Yeah, social media. Yeah, so she follows good people. She's a pretty good prospect for me. So yeah, these are 2 accounts which I found. So you can just do this and follow a similar process and just try to scrape the followings of people who are similar to theirs. Alternatively, what you can also do is you can scrape hashtags. So for example, just open a new tag and just open Instagram and just like, I'll just move this down. Just try to look for, let's say, hashtag agency, hashtag whatever your niche is. So instead of that, I'll just search agency owner. Yeah. So there are like 52,000 posts. So you can do this as well. So we can extract data of all the people who have created posts over here. So we get their email addresses and also, yeah, 52,000 free leads if you're targeting agency owners. So that's just basically, you can scrape hashtags as well, or you can simply scrape accounts. What I've seen is people like scraping followers is a bad idea, but scraping followings is a good idea, because let's try to sit down and psychoanalyze. Would you follow someone who was a retard? Would you follow someone who did not know what they were speaking about? And people like to follow people who are similar to them. So find someone who will be a good fit for your services and just simply scrape their followings. And I know they might be following some random account. That's why we're going to qualify the leads and clean the data using AI as well. So do not worry about that. just find it. You can scrape hashtags as well. Like you can just try experiment with both, see which gives you better quality leads. If you want to scrape hashtags, you can simply come here and click on the extensions button over here. Go to Growman, and over here click on this hashtag thing and just click on the maximum number of leads you want to extract. So let's say you can start with 1000 over here, like let's say 950. Then you can just simply enter agency. So now it will scrape all the data between agency, and this I'll like to keep it at 3. If you want a lower risk, like the lower this number is, like 4 seconds, 3 seconds, and 2 seconds, the higher the chance your account gets banned. I don't give a shit if this gets banned. So yeah, I don't really care. But if you're like, very, oh my god, it should not get banned or something, just increase it to like 15, 20 seconds. What it basically does is, like, after extracting the contact info of one person, it will wait for like 4 seconds. If I do it 11 seconds, then it's gonna wait 11 seconds. I just keep it at 3 seconds. Click on go. And when you extract hashtag agency, then yeah, you can see all the people. Yeah, basically all the people who are doing that will start appearing over here. If they don't have a public email, you won't get data. But if they do have a public email or a public phone number, it will appear over here. As you can see, like, this is the phone number of this person, phone number, email, everything is here. So yeah, that is what the process looks like. So you can simply just follow the, like, the rest of the steps will be exactly the same if you follow like this protocol where you're scraping like a hashtag. And if you're scraping someone's following, like, I would say if you're just starting out, like, start with following the followings of people before you get into the hashtag. You can do both, just try it out. And yeah, once you have the list, then you simply go to Growman, just click, like, let's say she's the person I want to scrape. I'll just copy paste her username exactly as it is. Like, I pressed Command C, Control C if you're in Windows, in case someone's wondering, oh my god, how did he copy the name? Click on the extensions, go to Growman over here, and just click on this thing, like the second button. You come to extract followings, click over here, and just paste the exact Instagram username exactly as it is. Leave detailed on, remove this, like untick this, and time interval I'll leave as 3 seconds. Like, I really don't give a shit if I get banned or not. I've never been banned. I've done this for like thousands of times. And yeah, basically it does not matter for me. But if you are extremely cautious safe, you can just move it up to 10, 12, 15 seconds, whatever the number is. And just click on go. And she's following like 3,000 people. So we'll have to wait for a while for this to happen. So yeah, basically you need to wait till all the leads are scraped. Like, you can see the numbers are over here as well, the email addresses, everything. And if you want to know what would be the exact time it would take for the data to be scraped, just open your freaking iPhone, like pick up your phone and just open up calculator. Like, calculator, how many number you see over here, like how many people they follow, 3036. Multiply that by time delay you added. So I added 3 seconds. So I'll multiply it by 3. So yeah, 9,108 seconds. If I divide the number by 60, then it's going to take me 151 minutes. And if I divide that by 60, it's going to take me 2.5 hours. So around 3 hours. It will take around 3 hours for this data to be scraped. You don't have to do anything. You can leave it running in the background. So I'm just going to pause this video. And yeah, I'll see you after like 3 hours. Yeah. And like 3 hours sounds like a lot, but remember, you're getting like thousands of leads. And you ideally only need like 100, 200 emails to reach out to people. So this is pretty much work done for the week. And yeah, I'll just pause it and see you in the next video. So it has been a couple of minutes since we started the entire process. And I think we have close to around 572 leads generated. So I think, yeah, pretty much good to go. And one mistake which I realized is I should have scraped some other profile. Like, if I scrape this person, it would have been 1,000 times better. This lady just follows like a random ass people. And as I'm just seeing it, I just realized it. So, lesson for you, always ensure that you scrape the right people. And just try to figure out, like, will this person be following the people who I want to work with? And yeah, so ensure you follow the right people. And sometimes hashtags also work well. So I realized that, but yeah, there's no point in complaining. Let's just extract the valuable information which you have from her, and after that we scrape someone better. So once you're here, you simply click on this rows per page icon, someone might be like, Somil, you can directly download all these entries to a CSV file. And yeah, you're absolutely right. Like you can just download it. But if you see over here, you can only export the first 500 records. And if you want to do like more than that, you want to export all the records, you have to get like Growman Pro. And if you want that, because SailGen always delivers, and if you want the Growman Pro, whatever this is, like the $10 a month subscription at between $3 to $5 a month, just go to the SailGen community, Automated Profits Alchemy. Just go over there and create a post. And yeah, we're gonna work on that and we'll give you access to it. But I personally have never used the Pro plan, so that's why I don't have the subscription. But if you're adamant you want that, you can just like drop a message over there and yeah, we'll look into it. The first thing you need to do is come over here and in the rows per page, you have to select all. Mind you, one thing, like if you're dealing with very large data sets, like thousands of entries, then you might face certain issues, like it might be too many entries. But over here, I think it's 500 to 600, so it should be fine. So you simply come down and you copy all the entries. To select all of them, click on Command A, Control A in Windows, and just Control C, Command C to copy it. And if you're a boomer, you can just click like the right click and just click on copy. So that works as well. Once you're here, you simply come over to ChatGPT and yeah, you just paste it over here. Ensure you have the ChatGPT O1 model selected, which is the most advanced one and the best one. It does not work with free ChatGPT, so don't even try it. And yeah, if you want access to the same, like the $240 version of ChatGPT at $10, you can check out over here. You buy it in bulk, so that's why we have volume buying discount. So that's why we can provide it to you at affordable prices. And then just simply follow this prompt from the structure part to the Google Sheets part and just paste it below the data. Over here, you need to make two changes in order to ensure that you get qualified leads. Over here, once the prompt begins, like structure, blah, 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 you will see include people who are in this hashtag niche. So you have to replace niche with words which the people who you want to reach out to might include in the username, bio, and name. So the people I want to reach out to, I'm mostly targeting service providers. So they might be service providers, they might be freelancers, SMMA owners, SMMA, SMM, social media managers, agency owners, digital marketing, marketing agency owner. So basically include some keywords which your target audience might be like. They might include dentist, dental practice, or like you know your niche better than me. And we have to now replace this service part in the next line with the service which you're offering, which they are qualified for my appointment booking service, where I book qualified sales calls directly in their calendar. So just include one sentence which explains your service. You might be helping them with organic content, digital marketing, web development, whatever it is. And yeah, just that and press enter. And yeah, I pressed the wrong button. Just press enter and chill out. It will take somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes because ChatGPT will be writing personalized first lines as well. Yeah, so it will take some time. You can see the process. It's analyzing everything. It's like, yeah, basically it's removing the entries which do not have emails, because I told it to do the same. Like, what's the point of having leads if you don't have emails? And yeah, you can just see all the steps which are happening. And I'll just pause it for a couple of minutes, and once the data has been processed, I'll be back. It does take 2 to 5 minutes. Yeah, just pause it out. Yeah, so the results out, and it turns out I scraped the wrong profile because no one matches the criteria. Very few profiles I got. But on average, I've seen if you scrape like 100 profiles, you can easily get like 30 to 70 like good fit profiles. And someone might be complaining, Somil, why so less profiles? Well, you can just reach out to all the people. But isn't it better if we reach out to only the people who are genuinely a good fit for our services? So you're probably gonna get like a pretty big list, and just to ensure like I had all the entries, I just sent it again because I was like, damn bro, like this person is actually a retard, like he does not follow the right people. So once you're done with this, you click on this copy code button and all the entries are there. And then you simply click on a new tab and you search online notepad. And the first website which comes up, this thing called onlinenotepad.org, just open it up and remove all the things which are there previously and just paste it exactly what you copied from ChatGPT. Click on file over here, click on save and give it a name, let's say IG leads. Click on save. It will be saved as a txt file. Open this up, the txt file which you downloaded, right click on it and get info, or like just rename it. In Windows also I think it's the same process, and remove txt and type CSV and press enter. Use CSV. Once that is done, that's all you had to do. You can just search up Sheets, Google Sheets, just click on blank spreadsheet and open it up and you're pretty much good to go. Click on Command O, Control O, which is the shortcut for opening new files. Or if you're like a boomer, once again, go to File, click on Open, and over here come on Upload, Browse, and yeah, you can just upload the CSV file over here in Google Sheets, which can be used for reaching out to people. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. So the phone numbers in these profiles were not public. You can see the full name of the people. You can see how many followers they have, how many people they follow, how many posts they have, like their email address, their phone numbers, city, their bio, everything. And we also like extracted the first name. What I told ChatGPT is, if you cannot determine the first name of the person, then you can simply use the brand name. So over here, LearnMice, which is like Aryan's agency. So yeah, if that's the case, then yeah, basically. And we also wrote like personalized first lines, which you can see. Ashi, love how you're helping brands scale with the art strategies. Brand and appreciate how you empower personal brands and coaches on social so effectively. LearnMice, love how you're providing both marketing services and digital marketing classes. Great combo. Markets Mind, I love how you break down AI in branding insights so clearly in your posts. Raj, it's awesome how you share AI editing tips that genuinely help creators improve their content. And tell me, like, this is not cool. Like, this does not sound like a lot, but imagine you had like 200, 300, 400,000 leads with these AI generated personalized first lines. That's pretty cool, right? And yeah, that's basically how you generate hyper personalized emails. And you can just use this for reaching out to people on like Instagram. You can use this for reaching out to people on WhatsApp if you want to reach. Like, WhatsApp is not the best idea because phone numbers are very rarely given out on Instagram. This is best for email marketing and Instagram marketing. So yeah, that's how you do it, and that's how you also generate personalized first lines for these people using AI. And yeah, hope you had a beautiful day and hope it continues going beautiful as always. Take care, people. Love you.